Well, he's my little dental baby that got his little surgery. Well, he's a little baby that got surgery. Well, he's my little baby.
Today, what we're gonna do is make some cat treats. What happened to Papa is that he had to go in for emergency dental surgery. He's okay. But I was thinking about what happens when I had to go into surgery, and what my mom would do for me is she'd cook something for me. So I thought this week I'd cook some homemade cat treats. There's a little stipulation. Oh, hold on. It's a couple of them. Oh, there we go. Oh, God. Nope. Oh, there it is. Okay. Back to it. My mom used to cook me homemade meals whenever I had surgery or if I was sick or something. So I thought that's what I'd do for Papa Puff, and we'd make some homemade grain-free cat treats, which I'm really excited about. So we can give out proper credit. I'm just gonna tell you it's from Wellness Mama, and she has homemade cat treats that are grain-free. And as always, I'm gonna take a little bit of edibles. So let's go.
Welcome to Crazy Avey Land.
I don't know what I'm doing.
I don't think these are that potent. They have like 6 milligrams, which is nothing. So I'm gonna kind of take like 3.5. Hopefully it'll be done by the time this kicks in. I'm gonna try and set up a little chair for Papa, because if you follow me on Instagram, which you should at Crazy Avey, duh, you know that I always do food smell training. And what food smell training is, you take a little piece of food, you put it up to the little kitty, they smell it, and then they stay interested and want to watch what you're doing. I'm gonna pop him up on a chair, and he's gonna be my little dinner date. Okay, let's go, let's do it. For those following along at home, what you're gonna need is some coconut flour, some coconut oil, definitely some gelatin powder, a can of tuna fish, 1 egg, and 2 medium-sized sweet potatoes. Okay, let's set up Papa Puff in his little throne, and you can watch me. Yum, 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 yum. I need a peeler. Do I have a peeler? It's just, where is it? Wait, no, I have a peeler. I have a peeler.
This is very unappealing.
I'm gonna need you to get a gun, put it in my mouth, and pull the f***ing trigger. So I never have to hear that pen again.
Oh my god.
Beep 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 beep.
Are you sure it's not in this? There's like one thing that I saw in there that oh no, that's just a zester.
I have a zester? Well, maybe I could use the zester. Oh my god, the zester! Papa, look what I'm doing for you. Do you even know how good you have it, motherfucker? Do you even know? Sitting here making cat treats for you after you got your little surgery. Okay, this isn't working as well as I thought. Okay, give me a knife. You know, I was out riding one morning. Came across a cult. Called themselves the cat cult. They roam in the night looking for cats. You know what they say. Sorry. I can't do it seriously when you laugh so loud like that. And I couldn't commit. Yeah. What if I could make a face?
He's like,
Don't leave me. Cats. What's the matter with cats these days? Cats. So ungrateful in so many ways. What's the matter with cats today? Cat cult, motherfucker. Oh! Why did I do that? That was dumb. Look at the little sweet potato nip. Little sweet potato nip for you. Come get it. Why did he back away so
I don't know.
slowly? Home, home on the range, where the cats and the humans play. Where I drink champagne and my papa's in pain. But we all eat cat treats all day. I'm getting a little high. She's pretty fast, isn't she? My mom used to say that about like girls that were sluts.
That she was fast?
Yeah. Are you calling her a slut, Mom? Like, she was like, no. But she's pretty fast, isn't she?
Wow. That's a fast lady right there.
Blink my eyes, didn't see her. Sleeps around.
Yeah. Instead of just sleeping in one spot.
I'm not giving you any attention for that, Austin, cause it doesn't deserve it. I'm making eyes.
It's getting it.
Wait. He's got hair. He's got like Bart Simpson hair. This is sweet potato Bart Simpson. This is actually the ghost of Bart Simpson. Like when he's on his like ghost skateboard. Eat my shorts! Woo! The ghost of Bart Simpson. That is him. Just making cat treats out here.
Yeah.
Spoiled.
Just a little.
Spoiled. Spell it. Can you spell that? Yeah. I didn't think so. I love him. Don't tell him that. I'm very angry at him. And you know what? I'm very upset, and you need to not even look me. I love him so much. That's the thing. Like, I'm lying. I'm totally acting like I have to get mad. Papa, no! Don't even look at me. I am very upset. And I hate you so much. I hate you. I hate you so much. I actually don't hate him. But I'm mad at him right now. So I have to act like I hate him. But really, I love him so much. I just want to squeeze his cheek. Oh my god. No, don't look at Austin. Woo! Eat my shorts. We gotta go. I need to be making
We need to like boil
cat
water.
treats for my cat son. I'm gonna cut these bad boys. What you're gonna want to do here is just kind of slice on right down the middle. Look how beautiful that is.
25
Oh
minutes.
no! No!
I mean,
I have to kill Ghost Bart Simpson. I apologize that you must go through it now. Oh! Ghost of Bart Simpson, turns out he was a solid. Not gaseous at all. Okay. Hi. Uh-oh. Sounds like a stomp break. Tap, 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 tap. I can't do it. Nudge your foot. This is called homemade stomp nip. Okay, wait. I actually don't own this.
I've never played the kitchen before.
You never play the kitchen. The kitchen plays you. This is taking forever.
Yeah.
The things I do for you. The things I do for you. Boo! Boo, you swine! Honestly though, I love him very much. He has no idea, but yeah. Boo! Cool.
Oh, it wants more battery.
Get it!
What?
Drop what you're doing.
Ah!
Change your name, change your address, call your mom, say goodbye.
No!
And what did I need you to do?
Change the battery.
Change the battery. Sit around making cat treats that we can't even eat.
I mean, maybe we
I'm
could.
putting in all this work and I can't even eat it. Go f yourself, Papa. Take your attitude / catitude and get out of here. I don't really want him to go. I'm just saying this, you know, because I'm supposed get out of here, you white furry f. I hate you so much. I don't at all. We know that I don't. This is all part of the gag. But real quick. You motherfucker, stay out of my life. He's so good.
Is that hot?
I don't know.
Is that surface hot?
I guess. You know that lady that lived down the lane? Yeah, her house burned down. How'd it happen? Making cat treats. I'm dead because of you. I'm dead. I'm literally D-E-D, dead, because he's so adorable and I just can't help myself. But as you know, he doesn't know that. You hate you. Don't look at me with your cute little beady eyes and your smushed little face. It was like a waffle iron, smashed it, and then it came out and it was your furry little greatness. I can't help it. I know I kind of blew it there, but it is true. He does have furry greatness, and I think we should all appreciate it. Oh, hot potato. Hot potato indeed. Beat that, Austin. You know, I have this meat masher. Just gonna mash this up. Okay, preheat the oven.
How are we gonna know?
How many hours has it been? It feels like it's been days. It'd be really fun to have like a cat British bake-off where you're just always making trying to come up creatively with like different types of cat treats. Cat cakes and cupcakes.
The British cat off.
But like, and then the ones who are judging are the cat. I always kind of think like maybe I shouldn't get high. Like that one, there's like a point. There's at one point I'm like, you know what? Maybe I shouldn't get high and do this. Cook cat treats. Maybe I should just like cook cat treats. Okay. Go ahead, Billies. I'm blocking for her grace. Please think again. Okay. I gotta mix all this in. Oh wait, no, the egg too. You basically just take all the ingredients and mix it.
I mean, technically they're gonna be edible, like just like nothing in there is really that gross or anything.
Austin, what are you saying? You want to eat my cat treats?
Maybe we should try it after we make it. Maybe we should just, good for the goose, it's good for the gander, you know?
Oh my god. Alright. Okay. Now, I gotta roll them into some balls. 1 inch. This is my oven. And this is how many you can put on a sheet at once. So what I'm trying to say is that I can only do like
Small batch.
4 or 5 at a time. It's gonna be a long night. Alright, so they're in the oven. I can do 6 at a time. Those are really big balls. I'm just like now thinking about it. Those are huge treats. How are they gonna eat it? I guess we'll just have to wait and see. I'm excited for me, not just for the viewer at home. If my cats don't like these, I'm gonna be upset. The smell of these smells so good, like roasting coconut. Oh man, I was like giving shit to Austin about eating this, and now I'm like, oh, but it could be good though. Okay, dude, they smell so good. These cat treats smell so good. We're back. Sorry, I didn't eat the cat treat, but I ate some more apple. So let's observe. We have a sweet potato, coconut, tuna thing, topped with a melted brie, and then lightly furnished with a sliced apple. Here you have quite the presentation. Okay, so I'm gonna take this. I'm so excited. I feel like I've been doing this all day. Oh, that's not bad. The apple really makes it. I don't love the consistency, especially when it gets kind of fried on the bottom. That's actually nice. I was like, who's gonna eat this huge cat food ball? I am. Could you not see this at a party? Oh, who made these? It needs like cinnamon. But I don't know, can cats have cinnamon? I'm just gonna keep going. Take this, plop that, and you're done. I think you should add craisins. Papa saw me eating the treat and looked at me like this. Okay. Let's get back to what we came here to do. We came here to eat some cat treats. You know, I don't know. They really need the cheese and apple. Can you imagine just like frying these up? This can go in. So here's the thing. I ate most of that cheese. The wheel is almost gone. And we need a plan moving forward. And that is continue slicing and eating it and finishing what I started. I like to think of it as a follow through. We've come to the end of the cheese wheel and have the last piece. Just want to thank my family and friends for being here today to witness such greatness. Cheese got stinky. I'm just now realizing how much stinky cheese is in me. There's a whole wheel. Hashtag blessed. What are we doing? I was just eating cheese. What was I thinking? Well, I'm done with this. Let's recap. Okay, first off, like and subscribe. Papa, was that your little meow? Aww. I like trying new things, and then I like trying to give them a cat twist. So if you have any idea for that, you let me know. I love you guys so much. It's really fun to have fun with my level of cat nerd. Let's see each other tomorrow.
Good morning. How you doing?
Stop, Austin. I want you to get a gun. I want you to put it in my mouth. I want you to pull the trigger. Because I never want to hear that cheery ass voice again this early in the morning. I woke up with a huge pimple on my face, and I think it's because I ate an entire block of cheese.
You ate all of it? I fell asleep. I didn't.
Oh god. But what we gotta do is we gotta do a true official taste test because I think they're hungry now. I didn't change last night. I slept in these clothes. Come on. She's a lady. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Oh, there they both come.
And the lady is mine. These are homemade tuna and sweet potato coconut treats that I slaved for hours making 5 treats in like 6 hours. Okay, here we go. There's that for you and there's that for you.
She's like,
come on.
She's like, bring out the treats. She's like, so yeah, about those treats.
She's like, is this a f***ing joke? Here you go, Bellies. Wait, Bellies. Bellies, don't. Pee-pee. Try that. A little treat for my little treaty. Well, that was a huge failure. That didn't pan out.
They look pretty tasty.
You know, technically they were.
So you did eat them then?
Yeah. I had a nice little gourmet snack. I should have started by pouring myself a glass of wine. You know, this has been a real pleasure cooking for you today. Why don't you guys go ahead? Hit that like and subscribe button. Hit that like and subscribe button. We're gonna be out here making treaties for this little sweeties all day, every day. Tell your friends and family about this joyous channel that I have been creating with Austin. We always want you here for a good time. If anything, you now have a stellar recipe to try this fall for your own little cats. Go ahead and listen to the podcast, Burping for Cash. It's apparently one of our biggest podcasts up right now. Or you can check out the last video as well. All right, thank you very much. I love you guys. Cat Cult for life.
Pee pee pee.